Sam, Sam, Sam. This is sad. This is sad. What are you doing, Sam? This bird has hit its head. This bird has hit its head against the window and is now being nursed back to life by Sam. Oh, don't step on him, Sam. No, don't step on him. Oh, poor thing. You okay, buddy? Don't look okay. You gonna be okay? Oh, poor thing. You hit your head? Did you hit your head? Oh, Sam, you're so jealous. What are you doing to the buddy? Oh, poor thing. Dude, what are you doing to the... Well, I'm not gonna hurt it. I'm not gonna hurt it. Well, I don't know what to do with this little bird. He looks sad and hurt. Okay, dude. You're looking pretty angry. You're looking pretty angry. You look like a very angry bird. Oh, got your little nose up. Got your little nose up. You're looking very angry. You okay? I don't want you to, like, fly into my face and start attacking my eyeballs. Okay? I don't want that. But I also don't want you to get cold on the ground. What are we going to do? I don't want to pick you up.